Welcome back everyone. It's Big Al, or Albert Lebel. I've got a freaking challenge locking device called the Sapien. That's right, it's from Bronx Lock Picker 60, or BLP 60. That's what he goes by. Freaking awesome picker too, and a cool guy, by the way. If you haven't checked him out yet, check him out. Really cool guy. So let's get zoomed in here and check this dude out. The reason I said, well, I meant to say freaking cool challenge lock is because I just tried this a second ago just to see if I can do it. And this thing, another name would have been like Feedback Freddy, because hopefully it does the same thing as it did a minute ago. Because it'd be nice for everybody to see this. I'm gonna go, let's see, I guess clockwise. And oh, by the way, duh. There's the bitting on the key. That's how I got it. Works smooth as silk. Oh, well, going okay. Got a little tick going counter, but that's okay. It's a challenge lock. It does rotate. Okay, so I'll be using top of the keyway, and I'll be using the gem, and I'm hoping it's going to pick the same way it did a minute ago. And you got to see this, the feedback on this thing. Pretty freaking cool. So let's get something started here. There we go. A little click there already. I think it was pin 3. See this? Look at that. Pin 2. I mean, it's like every pin talked to me. It was really cool. 1, 2, 3. Watch this. You see that? Nice little click. See where we're at. 5. Some more. See that? Nice false set. 4. A little more on 3. 2. We're in a deep false set. Let's see if we can get out of it. 1, 2, let me see. 2 might want some more. Maybe not. 3, 4. I mean, it's a talkative lock. 5, 4. Maybe it was 4. We'll try it. 2. Huh. Got something way up there. There we go. Pin 1. It was hiding. Alright, so there we go. Like I said, it could have been called Feedback Freddy for one. Really cool. Really cool lock. Alright, let's get backed out a little bit here. Get this sucker out of the vise and see what's inside. I can only guess because of the counter rotation on pretty much every pin. I'm guessing some deep spools. So let's see what we got. Let's bring the camera down over there. We use let's see. We'll just go ahead and use one of these. Alright. We good on the camera? We're alright. We got a oof. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. Maybe. Let's see. See if I can spread it out. Slide it off. There we go. No problemo. Okay, so we got the key. Lock it back up. There is a gap back there on that core, so I'm going to try to get a shim in there if it'll fit. Yep. Oof. Yeah, it's getting hung up on something in there. That's not a good sign. Okay, we got it some more. Oh, there we go. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Here we go. Make sure that's the right size. Alright. 5 pins. Looks like 5 was just about an overset trap. Yep. Just needed the slightest bit of picking in number 5. Well played. Alright. Lay it out. Let's see. I can do it. Keep myself from putting them all over the place. Oh, there's never really an easy way to do this, huh? Three, number 4. Come on. And number 5. Alright, nice. Let me get some eyes on. Pardon moi. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got every chamber threaded. Every chamber. Okay. Shim up, tweezers in hand. There we go. Where we at? We're good. Nice. A 2-piece? Nope. Just a... Ooh, it's like a multi-serrated T-pin combobulation. Well played. And 2 is a nice... Another one, like a reduced diameter serration. I guess like a serrated T-pin combobulation. Ooh, that one popped up nice. Kind of a spooled, serrated spool combobulation. Number 4. Yep. Nice. Well, they do look good. Ooh, just popped that one up. Let's see if we can figure it out. Oh yeah, I'm sure it went that way. No doubt. Okay. Bada boom, bada bang. Okay, let's see if there's anything done in here. I see nothing. No mods in the top part of the Bible. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bing. Let's go with, we'll just say that was from Bronx Lock Picker 60. We'll put the Sapien up there, like so. My pointer. I really like that one. I like locks that give a lot of feedback sometimes. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got a serrated and reduced, almost, I guess you can call it T-pin because it does reduce down on the top. 2, we call that just serrated, I guess. 3, almost spooled like with a serration. This one here is serrated and spooled, I'd say. And then 5, multi-serrated, and it's got a reduced top on it. I hope the camera's picking that up. Drivers, we got a serrated T-pin. Number 2, same thing, a T-pin with serrations on it. Number 3, I'd call that spool with a reduced end on it here. And it is sharp too, it looks like. Again, over here we got this kind of spooled T-pin combobulation, because this part is definitely smaller than this part. And then 5, double, we'll call it double serrated. And then the springs, got a steel there. It looks like, that one almost looks aluminum or something, man. That one's steel, copper, copper, steel. So, alright, that's what we got from Bronx Lock Picker 60, the Sapien. Highly appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.